Today I'm going to tell you why the new Porsche 911 Hybrid will disrupt the sports car market. This is the new Porsche 911 Hybrid, and every other sports car maker should be looking over their shoulder. And stick with me to the end to find out what model trim level the Hybrid is going to replace. The 911 offering a hybrid powertrain is an enormous change for a sports car maker whose iconic model has always relied on a traditional internal combustion engine. Now, Porsche is also working on an all-electric 718 Boxster and Cayman. Sure, they'll be quick and loaded with technology, but they may lose the soul of what makes the 718 so fun. At the heart of the 911 is a flat 6 engine, and the exhaust note helps build more connection between the driver and machine. Plus, the plug-in hybrid may be better for the environment than an EV, but then I'm getting a bit ahead of myself.
There's a happy tree.
Now, the Porsche 911 isn't the first hybrid sports car. Both the Acura NSX and BMW i8 were here first, but neither of those are produced anymore. GM has the Corvette E-Ray, which is a hybrid. However, it is not a plug-in hybrid, so it can't run on battery power alone.
She can't take anymore!
Porsche already has some experience with plug-in hybrid performance cars. A number of years ago, I was able to drive a Porsche Panamera hybrid on the road and track, and they have hybrid Cayenne models. But the Porsche 918 Spyder supercar is the model that the new 911 will most closely follow. The Spyder's plug-in hybrid system allowed for blazing fast track performance, or you could run on all battery power for about 12 miles. So the 911 Hybrid will probably be able to go 20 to 30 miles on battery power alone with its newer battery technology. The 918 Spyder was the perfect supercar for people that wanted a crazy fast car that their green friends wouldn't shame them about driving.
Shame!
Of course, any major change to the 911 doesn't go over well with the Porsche purists. Or as I like to say, a few people on the internet that wish it was still the 1990s. To the purists, the last true 911 was made for the 1997 model year. They hated the move away from air cooling, and the witchcraft that is a plug-in hybrid is heresy that the zealots will hate.
I don't even know what that means, but I love it!
But the old air-cooled 911s can't lap the Nürburgring in a blazing fast 7 minutes and 16 seconds. That's slightly faster than the current Porsche 911 Turbo S. Porsche has said that this time is 8.7 seconds faster than the corresponding preceding model. Based on this figure, in the 911 Carrera GTS's Nürburgring time of 7 minutes and 24 seconds. It's clear that the hybrid will take over the GTS designation. Based on a lap time that's a little bit faster than the Turbo S, the hybrid will likely have a combined horsepower rating of over 550 horsepower. And that's not to mention the crazy torque when the flat 6 engine combines with those electric motors.
The Nürburgring ruins cars.
The Porsche 911 is the sports car that all other sports cars are measured against. With the 911 Hybrid, Porsche looks to its past to move the 911 into the future, while not turning into a numb, soulless EV. When you figure in the smaller battery pack and potential for e-fuels that Porsche is invested in, the Hybrid is better for the environment overall than an EV. Many world governments are forcing EV adoption, for better or worse, and most sports car makers are simply rolling over for it. But Porsche is disrupting the market by making an environmentally friendly machine that maintains the flat 6 whale.
From my cold, dead hand.
The thing is, you want to daily drive a Porsche 911, but check out this video to find out the realities of driving a Porsche 911 every day.